Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to access Polymarket even if it's blocked in your country. As you may have noticed, Polymarket isn't accessible everywhere. In some countries, internet service providers block access to the platform, so if you try to open the website, you will see an error message like this. Before we get started, an important disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended to encourage anyone to use Polymarket or bypass the laws or regulations that apply in their country. It is your responsibility to ensure that your use of any online service complies with the laws and regulations where you live. So, how do you access Polymarket if it's blocked? The answer is simple: a VPN. In this video, I'll be using NordVPN. NordVPN is an app you can install on your computer, smartphone, or tablet. It lets you change your IP address. Once NordVPN is connected, your real IP address is hidden and replaced with the IP address of the VPN server you've chosen. Let me show you how it works. I choose a server location, Spain for example. I click here, it's connecting, and that's it. I'm now connected to the internet through a server in Spain. My real IP address has been replaced with a Spanish IP address. If I check my IP address on this website, you can see that it's now located in Spain. Now I will refresh the Polymarket homepage, and there we go. The platform is now accessible. As you just saw, if Polymarket is blocked where you are, you can use a VPN like NordVPN to access it. If you'd like to do the same, visit vpn-club.com/nord or click the link in the video description. NordVPN costs just a few dollars per month, and considering everything it can unblock, it's excellent value for money. When you sign up, be sure to use the promo code VCLUB to receive several extra months for free. It's one of the best VPNs on the market. Fast, reliable, very easy to use, and available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android TV, and many other platforms. It has servers in 129 countries, allowing you to connect through locations all over the world, including Spain, but also the US, Canada, the UK, Australia, Germany, France, Japan, and many more. Another great benefit is NordVPN's 30-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try it completely risk-free. If you decide it's not for you, simply request a refund within the first 30 days. If NordVPN isn't the right fit for you, ExpressVPN is another excellent option. ExpressVPN is fast, secure, and reliable, with servers in 113 countries. Like NordVPN, it's very affordable and comes with a generous money-back guarantee, so you can try it without any risk. To check it out, visit vpn-club.com/express or use the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. You now know how to access Polymarket if it's blocked in your country. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to help. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.